Good evening, every member. Good evening. Good
I,
evening. When there is a crisis in scanning app, that is cam scanner or other Chinese scanning apps are banned, we try to launch and successfully launch SelfScan app. It's a document scanning app. It launched on 6th July and it is developed by Natural Language Technology Research, the same organization done the Karmabhumi. This application is totally in-house.
This is also under Karma Bhumi.
Pardon, sir?
Is this program also, this particular aspect, is it under Karma Bhumi? No.
No, it's not under Karmabhumi.
Okay.
It's a different application.
Okay,
It's
okay.
a document scanning application. Here we scan our daily documents, and the best features are sorry, yeah, I think my screen is hanged. Users data into our server and do something AI or something like that on that data. So the privacy of the user's data is stay with the user, not with us. And the main feature is offline facility. When you install this app, you can access it without internet. Many other scanning app need internet because they need the data. Important government official data when scanned, they are stored in server when we scan in other cam scanner like apps. But in self scan, when we scan it, it's stayed only in the mobile phone, not in the server. When you transfer it to another person, just transfer to that person. In the transmission path, we didn't take the data backup. And other features are um, we have a OCR facility for English, and we can scan the visiting card. Page shuffling are also there. If we scan so many documents one by one, so many pages, if we want to introduce another, insert another page, we can insert in any position. Also, we have encryption, decryption process, and when we want to encrypt it, it also generate a new file system dot self scan like dot doc or dot jpeg. It create a new format. So when someone decrypt it, he have to install self scan app, auto crop. These are the main features are there, but our system runs on that we cannot take users data into server, so privacy is with the user. In this small amount of time, we already have a statistics of download more than 1 lakh. That is 63,900 direct download and other download from Google Play Store. We also have SelfScan portal there, Samsung Galaxy, our app present in Samsung Galaxy Store, Apple Store, Amazon Store, and others. So it's a small app having big features. Thank you. Thank you. Any questions?
Yeah, ma'am, you can start.
So fine. This is a self-funding, and you did it to avoid the Chinese app. That's very good. Now, can you tell me this is only in Google Play Store, or you get it in iOS also?
It's also available in iOS.
It's in
So
both. Okay.
it's
So,
a good step in Atmanirbhar Bharat.
good,
We
very
develop
good.
our own app.
So that means I can download it today on my.
Yeah, you can download.
All right. And
We also give the response our feedbacks. There are
okay,
thousands of
I'll do that.
feedbacks are
I'll
there.
do that. I'll do that. Now, when I download this and scan a document, I can encrypt it, protect it with a password, which can be decrypted only somebody who is having the self-scanning app.
Same scanning app.
That is
And you
understandable.
get the password.
That's understandable. But suppose I'm not encrypting it, but only sending. Now it becomes what, a JPG file or a PDF file?
JPG, PDF,
I
PNG.
choose. I choose. So when I transfer this file to another machine where this app is not installed, but I have not encrypted, nor I have put any password, can that be visible there? Or do I need something?
You can visible if you
So this
down
is a
scan it
completely
and send
independent,
it by mail.
self-embedded. It's a self-embedded document.
Yeah, yeah.
So what if I do OCR?
Yeah, if you do OCR, then it convert into plain text. You copy the text into a text file and send them.
Then also it is self-contained. I don't
Yeah,
need to have, wherever I send, I don't need to have the SelfScan app.
yeah. But if you want the feature of encryption decryption, you have you must have the
Yeah,
app.
even password also probably I will need.
Yeah,
Password also I'll probably need.
yeah. Password. You can
Okay.
also provide the password.
Fine. So is it free or
Yeah, it's totally free, ad free. You haven't seen any ad there from government. Okay, so it's ad free and app is also free.
and what is the size of this app?
Nearly 5 MB or something.
5 MB.
5 MB megabyte.
That's quite a
Small.
bit. That's quite a bit just for documentation.
Yeah.
No, anyway, it's okay. No, that means
Okay.
you need to have a lot of resources, and this is
Also,
without the
we
document. It's only
upload
the
the.
app. 5 MBs. I think it's quite heavy.
No, it's not a heavy app. It's a very light app. You just install it. Okay, and we also share the source code of this app in open, so anybody can develop it and contribute it.
Okay. Anyway, Atmanirbhar Bharat, it is good. So why don't you publicize this
We also made some
as a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat?
Facebook page for promotion it.
You do that. You do that
Oh,
because people should know about it. Lot of halla was there when Chinese apps were 92 or 162 Chinese apps were banned, and
right.
everybody was worried what to use. So why don't you make advertisement for this? Good job.
It is a very nascent app, and already within the course of last very few months, it has garnered more than 1 lakh download in both Google Play Store as well as iOS.
That should have come in your presentation.
Yeah, that's what I've come.
So it has garnered a lot of popularity in the last couple of months. So
Your presentation doesn't say that. Your presentation doesn't say that.
Yeah, probably we missed that particular data point in the presentation, but we
Yes.
wanted to, kind of convey this to you that it has been very, very popular recently, and
Very
it is
good.
growing from strength to strength going forward. And it has been appreciated by many industry users as well.
Okay.
In
Good.
terms
Go
of
ahead with the next presentation then.
yes.
See,
Thank
even
you.
personally, I would like to use it
Achha.
because this user point of view is a very assured and very convenient device. So
Yeah, I'm going to do it today. Let's see.
me too. And the next thing is that now since it is used by many, have you come across any hitch or anyone has said anything about any problems one faced?
So, sir, after the implementation, there were some glitches in the initial application from which we are continually receiving feedbacks from the users. So, like there was a challenge in the decryption methodology in the initial stages of the application deployment, but then again we rectified that within the course of first 1 week itself. So yes, so we are continuously seeking feedback from the industry users as well as academicians in terms of usage of the app, the kind of way we can use it for better. So we would be glad to receive feedback as well. As ma'am has mentioned, she will be probably be downloading it today itself. So we would be glad to kind of receive feedback from your end as well. So yes, we are continually developing our application based on the feedback that we are receiving.
This one can download as a self-scan app or some other title you have for this.
No, SelfScan. If you could please search as SelfScan in the Google Play Store, you will find our application and the icon with that, and you will be able to download.
All right. Okay. The rest of the knowledge I will ask madam to explain. So up to me.